There is a conversation happening in every marketing team right now. Someone suggests using AI to write content. Someone else says the quality will not be good enough. And the team keeps writing manually. Meanwhile, their competitors are publishing 10 times more content and ranking above them on every keyword that matters. Here is the data point that ends that conversation. In 2026, AI-assisted content consistently outperforms manually written content in organic search rankings, not because AI writes better than humans, but because the teams using AI are publishing more consistently, targeting more keywords, and updating their content more frequently than the teams writing everything by hand. Consistency and volume beat occasional brilliance in a search engine that rewards fresh, comprehensive, frequently updated content. Here is what the quality objection actually looks like in practice. A marketing team of 2 people writing manually can realistically produce 2 to 4 pieces of content per week. Each piece takes 3 to 5 hours. The content is well researched, well written, and thoroughly edited. That team publishes 200 pieces per year at maximum. A competing team of the same size using AI assistants produces between 10 and 20 pieces per week. Each piece takes 45 minutes to an hour: brief, generate, edit, publish. The content quality is slightly lower on average. But there is 10 times more of it. That team publishes 1,000 pieces per year. Which website do you think ranks for more keywords? Which website do you think gets more organic traffic? Which website do you think generates more leads? The quality gap between AI-assisted and manually written content has narrowed dramatically in 2026. The output gap between teams using AI and teams not using AI has never been wider. The teams that understand this are not replacing their writers with AI. They are giving their writers AI tools so that each writer produces what used to require 3 writers. Writesonic is the tool most professional content teams are using to close this gap. The workflow is specific. You brief the tool with a target keyword, a target audience, a key message, and a desired outcome. Writesonic generates a complete first draft in seconds, not a template, not a skeleton, a complete draft. Your writer then edits for voice, accuracy, and brand alignment. What used to take 3 hours is done in 45 minutes. The output is publishable. The quality is sufficient for ranking, and the volume increase is immediate. Here is what this means for a content team that makes this workflow change in the next 30 days. Every writer on your team becomes 3 times more productive. Your publishing frequency triples without adding headcount. Your keyword coverage expands into topics you previously did not have the bandwidth to cover. And your competitors who are still writing everything manually fall further behind every single week while their teams work just as hard. Save this, because the quality objection to AI content is the most expensive belief in marketing right now. The free trial link is in the description. Start with 1 piece of content your team was already planning to write. Brief Writesonic. Review the output. Compare the time it took to the time your normal process requires. That comparison will tell you everything. Link in bio.